Friend, how are you? I hope you are happy and enjoying the mathematics. Today we'll start the exercise 2.1. First question. Let A is a set of first 14 natural number. Define a relation R from A to A by the relation R equal to x comma y such that x 3x minus y equal to 0 where x comma y belong to A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. Okay. My dear student, since this relation is from R to R, so at first I have to write this relation into a roster form. If I will put x equal to 3 here, I will get corresponding value of y equal to, if I will put x equal to 1 here, I will get the corresponding value of y equal to 3. If I will put x equal to 2, I will get y equal to 6. If I will put x equal to 3, I will get y equal to 9. If I will put x equal to 4, I will get y equal to 12. If I will put x equal to, let us suppose 5, I will get y equal to 15. Since 15 is not the element of set A, so the element beyond this will not exist. Okay, you have to write down its domain and range. You can see its Venn diagram. Set A having 14 element, set A also having 14 element, since relation R is from A to A. So therefore domain equal to 1 2 3 4, because only 4 elements are participating in the relation. Range, since range of 1 is 3, 2 is 2 is 6, 3 is 9 and 4 is 12. Therefore range 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12. Now come to the question number second. Second question. In second question, define a relation R on set of natural number by R equal to x comma y such that y equal to x plus 5, means range is 5 more than its domain. X is a natural number less than 4 semicolon x comma y belong to natural number. You have to just write this relationship using the roster form. So you have to write this relation in the roster form and write its domain and range. Okay, in this question, if you will put x equal to 1, you will get y equal to 6. If you will put x equal to 2, you will get y equal to 7. If you will put x equal to 3, you will get y equal to 8, since the value of x is less than 4. So therefore the roster form of this is 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, and the arrow diagram you can also make like that, right? Okay, now come to the question number third. In third question, okay, you have given set A having element 1 2 3 5, set B having element 4 6 9. Define a relation R from A to B by R equal to x comma y such that difference between x and y is odd. My dear student, as we know that the difference of even number and odd number will always odd, right? So therefore you can write, if you will take x equal to 1, you will get y equal to 4. right? Because difference of uh, in this question your difference between x and y is odd, because difference of 1 and 4 is odd. 1 comma 6 belong to R, because 1 minus 6 equal to odd, or 6 minus 1 equal to odd. 2 comma 9 also belong to the relation. 3 comma 4 also, 3 comma 6, 5 comma 4 and 5 comma 6. Why? Because their difference is always odd, right? So what you have to do in this question? Define relation from right R in roster form. This is the roster form of a given condition. Now come to the question number 4. The figure 2.7 show the relationship, this one, P to Q, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, right? So the relationship between the set P and Q, write this relations in set builder form, roster form, write its domain and range, right? Okay, my dear student, as you have observed that range is 2 less than the domain, right? 5 minus 2 equal to 3, 6 minus 2 equal to 4 and 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Okay, so you can write this relation in set builder form like h, this one. Okay, r equal to x comma y such that x minus y equal to 4. Since difference of x and y is x minus y equal to 2, since difference of x minus y is 2, right? And the value of x greater than 4 and less than 8 means 5, 6, 7. Domain are 5, 6, 7, and also x and y belong to a natural number. X and y is not real number, so greater than 4 is 5, then 6, then 7. Okay, if you will put 5, its corresponding roster form 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 7 comma 5. So therefore domain are 5, 6, 7 and range 3, 4, 5. Right? Come to the question number 5. Okay. Now come to the question number 5. In question number 5, let A 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 R be the relation on A defined by A comma B such that A comma B belong to A is exactly divisible by A. Write R in roster form, find domain of R and find range of R. Exactly divisible by A. You can see this answer. Okay. Okay. My dear student, in this question, in question number 5, you will write at first R in roster form like as, since 1 is divisible by 1 and know that B is exactly divisible by, therefore 2 is also divisible by 1, 3 is also divisible by 1 and 4 is also divisible by 1 and 6 is also divisible by 1, like as 2 is divisible by 2, 4 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 2 and 3 is divisible by 3 and 6 is divisible by 3 and 4 is divisible by 4 and 6 is divisible by 4. So this is the corresponding roster form of a given condition in question number 5. Find domain of the R. Domain means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 are called domain. Range 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now come to the question number 6. Determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R equal to x comma x plus 5. X belong to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. right? Okay, in this question you can solve like that. Write, determine the domain and range. My dear student, at first I will write a corresponding roster form of a given builder form. If you will put x equal to 0, you will get y equal to 0 plus 5, 5. If you will put x equal to 1, you will get y equal to 6. If you will put x equal to 2, you will get y equal to 5 plus 2, 7. If you will put x equal to 3, you will get y equal to 8. If you will put x equal to 4, you will get y equal to 9. If you will put x equal to 5, you will get y equal to 10. Right? Since y equal to x plus 5. Okay. Now, it's domain and range. Domain 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, range 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now come to the next question. Next question is question number 7. Write the relation R x comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. You have to write this relation in question number 7 into roster form. Okay, let us see how to solve this problem. In this problem, the prime number less than 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7. So therefore, the corresponding roster form, if you will put x equal to 2, the y will be 2 cube, 2 cube a, 3, comma 3 cube 27, 5, comma 5 cube 125, and 7, comma 7 cube 343. Right? So this is the corresponding roster form. Now come to the question number 8. You have given set a equal to xyz, b equal to 1 comma 2, and find the number of relation from a to b. Number of relation from a to b. In this question, since n equal to question number 8, n equal to 3 and b equal to 2. So therefore number of element of A Cartesian B equal to na into nb equal to 3 into 2 equal to 6. Number of subset of A Cartesian B equal to 2 to the power na into nb, 2 to the power 6. Is it clear? Okay. Now come to the last question, question number 9th. Let R be a relation on Z defined by R a comma b such that a comma b belong to Z, a minus b is an integer. Find the domain and range of R. So my dear student, in this question, since relation is integer to integer, so you can write since difference of the integer is also integer. So domain will be a integer and range will also integer, right? I hope you'll understand this. Thank you very much, my dear student. It is very essential to watch this video, and if you are new, and you can subscribe this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.